time for a bird ceremony, or as I like to call it, a chirpening. We've got this interesting weed, a couple of weeds that grew up and quite quickly they're the size of the stairway. We've got them braced behind some wood so they're not totally eating the path, but quite impressive. Pretty little flowers on them. But anyway, here are my friends.
Chip, chip.
Apostle birds.
Chip, chip. Nope. Chip, chip, chip.
Little baby one over there. Look at his mouth is open going,
Oh, I need it first. I'm a baby. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, yep, yep.
yeah, no worries. Hear him say thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Chip, chip. Chip, 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 chip. No, no, no.
Think about this. When you're a baby, what you're saying translates backwards into legible speech. So when you make an attempt to communicate to animals in a genuine way, what you feel will translate into perceptible communication, the way that you can infer a baby's needs. Like, see this little one over there? He's got his mouth open and he's taking bits of food off of other birds. And I just feel really lucky to have this kind of bond with animals, that they'll include me in things like familial necessities, if you take my meaning. Alright, have the slice. A little baby being fed. So his colour is a little bit grayer than the other birds. Makes them harder to see, stand out less, reflecting less light. Quite common to birds to be grey when they're young. A couple little babies, 1, 2.